Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 767, and today's topic is the medicinal uses and structural determination of piperine alkaloid. Piperine alkaloid is isolated from the plant Piper nigrum and it belongs to family Piperaceae, and it is commonly known as black pepper, or in Indian language we call it Kali Mirch. Actually, this black pepper or Kali Mirch, I have already delivered one lecture on its different type of chemical constituents, but here I am very specifically discussing the piperine alkaloid, its some reaction, its structure, and some medicinal usage. This black pepper is having long history, and it is known as the king of all spices. It is one of the most popular and used by people throughout the world. That is called black pepper. And this black pepper is small seed, and this seed is powdered, and that powder material is treated with ethyl alcohol to extract the bioactive compound, and this alcoholic concentrate, after the evaporation of ethyl alcohol, it is treated with ether, and all these piperine alkaloids, they are soluble in ether fraction, and that ether fraction is separated and ether is evaporated, and whatever residue is remaining, that one is dissolved in suitable solvent to crystallize, and the most suitable solvent to crystallize is either methanol or ethyl alcohol, and we will get the crystals of piperine. This black pepper contains up to 5% piperine alkaloid, and this alkaloid is having lot of medicinal properties, and that's why black pepper is widely used in Asian subcontinent, in drinks, in preparation of different type of dishes. It has some pungent and very good spicy smell. That's why it is well known and it is widely used. And mainly the piperine alkaloid is responsible of its medicinal property, and first medicinal property is that this piperine is very active antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound, and because of its this property, first thing is that it will reduce drastically the inflammation and oxidative stress of the body, and that's why if someone is suffering from some mental disease or some other health condition, it helps a lot. It also reduces your cholesterol level. It also balances or reduces your high blood pressure. It controls. It is used in bronchitis, cough, and also it is very effective to our mental health or brain, we can say. People are using in nausea if you have some anxiety, and also it is very effective in brain degenerative, where the brain is degenerated, that is called Alzheimer's or dementia disease. So it is very effective, and also it is used in digestive disorder, some stomach disorder in digestive system. It helps a lot. So in general we can say it is having lot of medicinal uses, and the formula is given here, that is your C17H19NO3, means it contains 17 number of carbon, 19 hydrogen, 3 oxygen, and one nitrogen. And this is the structural formula of piperine. So it is having one aliphatic ring which contains nitrogen, and it is having only one nitrogen, and this nitrogen is the part of your aliphatic 6-member ring, and the other ring is, that is your benzene ring with 2 oxygen in the form of ether, and this is also one ketonic group is there, that is CO, and it is having 2 double bond, and it has molecular formula C17H19O3N, and once it is subjected to bromination, it gives tetrabromo derivative, and also once catalytic hydrogenation is done, it gives tetrahydro derivative, and since it is consuming 2 molecules of bromine or 2 molecules of hydrogen, it confirms that piperine contains 2 double bonds, and also once it is subjected to oxidation, it is changed into pipric acid. So all these things I will be discussing. So the medicinal uses and structure determination of piperine. The botanical name is Piper nigrum, and it belongs to family Pipereaceae. And the structure is already given here, piperine with molecular formula C17H19O3 and number 1. Piperine occurs to the extent of about 5% in ripe black pepper, and the structure and the source from which it is isolated is called Piper nigrum plant. Isolation of piperine. The powdered plant material is extracted with ethyl alcohol, and that alcoholic extract residue, or we may call it concentrate, after evaporation we get the product, and then the concentrate or residue is exhausted with ether, means it is extracted with ether. So first that black pepper seed powder material is extracted with ethyl alcohol, and whatever material we are getting, alcohol is evaporated, and what concentrate or residue we are getting, that one is again treated with ether, and that is exhausted with ether, and then it is ethyl solution is washed with sodium hydroxide solution, and the remaining ether solution is evaporated, and what concentrate we are getting, the residue, that one is dissolved in methanol, and then finally we get the pure crystalline form of piperine. Piperine is optically inactive, and it is tasteless. So number 3, that is black pepper. In Indian language it is called Kali Mirch, contains the bioactive compound, and that bioactive compound is called piperine alkaloid, and which is an alkaloid like capsaicin. Piperine has been shown to help to relieve from nausea, headache, and poor digestion, and also has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It is the most commonly used spice in the world, and that's why it is called the king of all spices in the world. If anybody is asking, the king of spice is nothing but black pepper. In every, ingredient in powder, curry powder, any masala, any spice, some percentage of black pepper powder is a must. And number 3, it can benefit your brain degeneration, and that is your dementia and Alzheimer's, because it is very rich in antioxidant and anti-inflammatory, and it may control your blood sugar. It is very much helpful in diabetic condition, and also may lower your cholesterol level. It has cancer fighting property because it is having very powerful antioxidant, anti-inflammatory compound, that is your piperine, and in this way it can drastically reduce the oxidative stress and also inflammation problem, and in this way the abnormal cancer cell production will be drastically reduced. The structure determination of piperine: first, its molecular formula is C17H19O3N and A, that's the number 1 subheading, Roman 1. Once it is subjected to hydrolysis, it gives piperidine and pipereic acid, which reaction is given here. On hydrolysis, it gives piperidine and pipereic acid. The reaction is given C17H19O3N plus H2O. Hydrolysis, you will get C20H10O4 plus C5H11N, and this one is pipereic acid, and C5H11N is your piperidine. Row number 2. One, it is subjected to either bromination or catalytic hydrogenation. It is converted into tetrabromo derivative and tetrahydro derivative. So once first one is subjected here to bromination, it will consume 2 molecules of bromine, and you will get the C17H19Br4N, and it is called tetrabromopiperine. And the second one, when it is subjected to catalytic hydrogenation, means Rani Nikhil Ni is used as a catalyst, and it is converted into C17H23O3N, and it is called your tetrahydropiperine. So number 5, it contains carboxylic group, that is COH, and it is confirmed by the reaction with sodium bicarbonate, and with sodium bicarbonate it gives effervescence. Effervescence means there is formation of carbon dioxide gas, and that formation of carbon dioxide gas with bicarbonate clearly confirms that piperine contains COH group. It contains carboxylic group COH, and it is confirmed by the reaction with sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate gives effervescence, that is C17H19O3N plus sodium bicarbonate. It will give effervescence. Effervescence means it is nothing but the evolution of carbon dioxide gas, CO2. Number 6, on oxidation with potassium permanganate, that is KMnO4, and KMnO4 is very strong oxidizing agent, and once it is oxidized, we are getting the following products. One is, that is piperonal, that is C8H6O3. Second one is piperonylic acid, and that one is your C8H6O4, and third one is oxalic acid, and that is your C2H2O4. So when piperine alkaloid is subjected to oxidation in presence of KMnO4, and you will get C8H6O3 plus C8H6O4 and plus 2 C2H2O4. The first one is piperonal, second one is piperonylic acid, and third one is oxalic acid. On the basis of above reactions, the structure of piperine alkaloid is given as, and this is the structure where carboxylic group is there. It has 2 double bond, 1 aliphatic ring, and another one is aromatic ring. So with this, your piperine alkaloid chapter is over, and let pharmacy chemistry students get this advantage of knowing about the structure of piperine, the presence of two double bonds, carboxylic group, and its structure and medicinal uses. So thank you very much for watching the lecture.